Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And if you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. And in the recent poll which happened in our Telegram channel, so if you are not part of my Telegram channel, then you can just check this Smart Trader official, or else the link is in the video description. So just click and open and be part of this particular group. It's a public group of Smart Trader just to be in connected with you guys. So most of them voted recently on which topic should I do. So most of them voted for price action, and then intraday overall topics, and then options, technical indicators, motivation psychology, and so on. So I'm doing a series of videos based on the requirements currently. So if you are not part of it, just get into it. As and when I create a lot of polls and questions and quiz, you can be part of the Smart Trader group. All right. So now today in this particular topic, we are going to talk about the price action. So this is the most voted topic. So we will start off price action episodes. So this is going to be the episode 1. So we will have lot of episodes like this, so that we can learn many price action strategies, ideas, basics, and many things step by step. Because if you have to learn English, you need to learn first ABCD. Without knowing that, you cannot directly go and learn English, right? So therefore, let's learn everything step by step, slow and steady. So I have created each episode for you planned properly, so that you don't miss it. So I have named it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that if you have missed the previous one, when you see in the future, you can go through together. All right. So first of all, in first topic, we are going to talk about bullish and bearish harami. Okay, so bullish and bearish harami is a price action. So first of all, what is this price action? See, price action, however our stock price moves, okay, if you put a candlestick or line chart or bar chart, whatever chart we apply, so price create a formation, and we create a logic for this formation. That is the main goal of this price action. It can be candlestick, it can be any formation, anything formation, or any movement, any type of resistance support, any type of diagram. Just like our stars in the sky, we see a pattern, and I say it's a dog, it's a car, and someone else will say no, it's not a dog, it's a cow, or it's a buffalo, or it's an animal, it's a giraffe. So different people have different perception. So same in price action, I can say this is bullish, opposite person next to me can say it's a bearish. Two people can have different opinion depending on the time intervals and etc. So it's an interpretation how you see the market. So therefore we have certain price patterns type of thing, or candlestick patterns, which you can follow. So now in this case, see, this is a bullish harami example and this is a bearish harami example. So now there are a lot of people who have already created a meaning to it, some logic towards it, how we have to react towards it. They have already introduced it. So let's learn the meaning of it rather than we finding out new patterns and creating meaning to it. So we will learn the patterns or the price actions which is already named and the logics created for it. All right. So before that, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Now remember this logic. Harami is a reversal pattern. So wherever you see this harami coming over, it is a reversal pattern. See, now for example, this is the uptrend and a harami pattern has come. So it is a bearish harami. That's what they say. So because it's gonna come down. Now the trend was down, 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 and suddenly this pattern has come, harami pattern has come. So it's called a bullish harami, because from the down it's gonna reversal. So harami is a reversal pattern. If it's coming in the top, it's gonna fall down. It's coming in the down, it's gonna go up. So this is gonna be a bearish and this is gonna be a bullish. So that is why we call it bullish harami and a bearish harami. So bull means it will go up, bear means it's gonna fall down. So keep this one logic in mind. Wherever you see harami, it's going to be a reversal. Where it occurs matters. So that's when we can decide it's a bullish or bearish. Now we know that this is how it comes. It will get the formation will come from the down. But what is the logic to decide these type of candle patterns? There will be some points to remember, right? So we have few points to remember which you can keep in your mind. So now, see, this is a definition which you will obviously read on theory anywhere. So the theory for bullish harami is a bullish harami occurs when there is a large bearish red candle on day 1. Okay, so bullish. So first of all, see, this is a large candle and a red one. So this is day 1, this one, and this is going to be day 2, 2 days. So a bullish harami occurs when there is a large red candle on day 1 followed by a smaller bearish or bullish. Remember this, bearish or bullish. Second day can be a red or a green. Small one, sorry, on the day 2. Again, the most important aspect of this bullish harami is that the price gapped up on day 2. So the idea is, you see on day 1 this was the close, on day 2 this is the open, right? So close to open, what do we have? We have a gap up. So you see a gap up happening. See, this will come only when the stock is falling, and this pattern will come a bullish harami. From down it's going to go up, reversal pattern. So if you see here, this is the close, next day it opened up, so it's a gap up. So it is one good sign that the stock has a chance to go up, reversal. So this type of formation has to come. And also you see that harami is that the price gapped up on day 2, like I told you, and price was held up and unable to move lower back to bearish close of the day 1. You see it closed here, it didn't close below this level, right? It didn't go below this level. It is still sustaining above this close of yesterday. So it is a positive sign. That's why we call it bullish harami. Basically, the second candle should be a small one, which should be within this candlestick, and the close also should be above. As simple as that. Next one is bearish one. Okay, so what exactly is bearish? Just the opposite. See, now bearish will come only in an uptrend. In uptrend, suddenly a bearish candle, this will come, and then it's gonna reverse down. What should come? This should come. What is the logic points to remember? A bearish harami occurs when there is a large bullish green candle. In a uptrend, suddenly a big green candle will come on day 1. On day 2, what should happen? Followed by a smaller bearish or bullish. Here anything can come, green or red, on day 2. Like I mentioned, this is day 2. The most important aspect of bearish harami is that the price is gap down. Now in this case ulta, in that it was gap up, this is gap down. Okay, so now you see the close is where, see, this was the open, this was the close. Green candle means close is upside, but you see where did it open? The open was here. So from close to open there is a gap down, so gap down over here. Okay, so there's a gap down, and on day 2, and we're unable to move higher back to the close of day 1. So you see, end of the day, it couldn't even, the high, it couldn't break the close. Okay, the candlestick is not even breaking the close of the day 1. So it's a small candle. So now this pattern is going to be a harami, that is, it's going to be a bearish harami. So understand this, harami is going to be the same concept, just that in different scenarios. In an uptrend and downtrend, you need to realize which is this harami out. So now let's see an example in the live market chart. If I clear this, okay. So I have an example here, okay. So this is Lupin, okay. This is a Lupin stock. I've just taken a 1-day candle just for an example, short-term trading type. So you see, if you don't know, you can use Zerodha, has an option of candlestick patterns. Click on that, it will automatically capture all the candlestick patterns, so you don't have to do manual work. So now if you see, it has captured a harami over here. It has not mentioned bullish or bearish harami, but looking at this, you know, let's say this is a red candle, and then we got a green candle which is smaller than the red candle. And if you see, so this was the close, this was the open, so that's a gap up. So gap up means is a bullish sign, so this is a bullish harami. So when a bullish harami comes, what happened? In a downtrend also, it's gonna reverse, and you see a price action has happened, it has been reversed. What is the level over here? So if I keep here, the price is around 555. So here you see, let's say 550 is the price, 548 or whatever is the price. It has gone up to, let's say, roughly around 850. Okay, so it has gone around 850 in those levels. So this is the price action which you can see. From this point you have got a profit in this example. Again, you can see a harami is over here. Maybe this again is a bullish harami. You see a red candle and followed by a green candle which is smaller than the red candle. And same thing what I told, this is the close, this is the open, so it's a gap up, not a gap down, so it will go up. So this is the logic. So now be very careful. Everywhere you may get a harami doesn't mean always it will go up and down. So one tip what I would like to give is always try to use it along with support and resistance to make it more accurate, because everywhere you can find this harami coming in between up and down, so you may get stuck with a false entry. But understanding which is your support and which is your resistance, so you're getting a bullish harami here, good to buy, good to buy. If you're getting a bearish harami selling in these resistance area, this is support area, so here good to sell, sell, sell. So along with your support and resistance, you know things can go wrong here. Along with your price action of bullish harami and bearish harami, you can take a decision, so double the marker. So like this you can apply a lot of logics. I'm just telling you one hint, you can also add a support and resistance to make it more beautiful. So hope this episode was an add-on to our episode of price action. So hope this was a start for you guys, or maybe it's completely new concept for you guys, but we are going to start like this a lot of concepts step by step. So if you're watching this video in between or later, just go through all the episodes so that you get to know the complete story of price action, and then we will try to mix all these price action and try to predict the moment. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for voting. So we will continue like this with a lot of episodes. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.